Hey everybody, it's David Jasven here, and I want to get you quickly going on setting up your new YouTube channel. So remember, no matter how old or how young you are, you can build a great subscriber base. So starting off, you're going to need a logo, okay? I'm going to assume you've already registered on Gmail to sign into YouTube. Once you've done that, you need a logo. It has to be about 800, at least 800 by 800 pixels, and it needs to look good. It needs to be creative. So if you're not creative, I'd advise you to go get someone do it for you. You can go to fiverr.com, which I'll leave a link in the description. If you are creative, you can use something like Canva or Photoshop, but my suggestion is Canva, where there you can get themes, you can do your colors, your typesetting, everything can be done in Canva. Finally, you have to set up your playlists in YouTube. And a playlist is really the area of interest where you're going to guide your viewers to. So in my case, I've got two playlists. One focuses on productivity and artificial intelligence. The other is for this channel, which is YouTube, creating your own YouTube channel from scratch. So go set that up. If you need help, just send me a message.